That can play actual videos inside of email. Okay, this is my inbox for my Apple email account, and if I click play here on this video, you can see it's playing an actual video that I can pause and play inside of an email, right? We're the first app to do that, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to do it with our app. If I hover over here, you can see here it says download video. This is not a GIF, this is an actual video, right? And I just want to show you step by step how easy it is to do it, so that you can do it with your review access as well, and that you can see it step by step. I think you're gonna love this because it's something unique that you can promote to your subscribers. Okay, so how do you do this? Well, you just log into our Email Videos Pro dashboard. I'm going to walk you through it step by step. It's very easy to use. We have a nice dashboard right here waiting for you subscribers. We have training, support, bonuses, best practices, and then here we have some stats on top. There's some other cool features that I'm going to show you later, but let's just go get to the meat of it. So if I click here on my campaigns, I can now start a new campaign, or I can pick one of the videos that I already have, okay? So if I click on new campaign, this is really cool. Check this out. I'm just going to give this, I'm going to call this JB Demo, okay? But now comes the cool step. Right here, once I click continue, I can now grab the video from YouTube URL, from a Dropbox URL. I can use a Wistia URL or a Vimeo URL, right? But it gets better than that. If you want to upload it from your computer, you can upload a video right here from your computer, or check this out. If you click on library, you can enter any word right here. And for anyone who invests in one of our upgrades, they have thousands and thousands of different HD iStock videos here that they can also use, right? Now in this case, I'm going to click here on upload. I'm going to upload a video from my computer, and it's going to upload it here real time, and then I can press play. I can check it out, and then I'm going to click here on next, okay? Now it's going to render and transcode it. That is done, and now I can go to the editor, and I can actually customize the video. How cool is that? Or I can skip that step, right? Now in this case, I'm going to skip that step just so that you can see the fastest way to get a video up to your autoresponder. I can have my different settings right here. I can play the video in a loop. I can add a download button, and we are adding more settings here, right? More options for the Pro version and just in general. You can also upload an image here, and you can, show it with our branding or without our branding for anyone who upgrades for upgrade number 1, which is going to convert like crazy. I can guarantee you that, okay? Now, if I just want to go ahead and grab my embed code and get started and send an email out with MailChimp or Aweber or whatever, I can do it right here. If I want to edit this video and enhance it, add a image to it, call to action, whatever it is, I can open it up in an editor. I'm going to show it in a moment, right? Now I'm just going to go straight ahead and grab my embed code. So let's do this together. I click here. And now it's going to load. And now I'm here with my video. I can now select my autoresponder. Look at how many autoresponders we have here. Basically any autoresponder that you can think of is included, right? And especially the most popular ones like Constant Contact, Aweber, MailChimp, Infusionsoft, ActiveCampaign, and so forth, right? Now I'm going to go with Aweber just because a lot of people have Aweber. Now I have the correct embed code right here. I can click on copy to clipboard, and then I would have my actual Aweber embed code here, and I can send this email with a video included, and the video is going to play, right? Now if I go here back to edit settings, I just want to show you also the editor really quick. I can click here, open an editor, and it's going to bring me over to the editor. I can play my video here. Okay, and then I can here add an image, add a shape, trim the video, I can add text, and I have different options here to enhance the video, like I said, right? And if I go back here to my campaigns, I can see the campaigns that I created in the past, for example, right? Now, and I'm going to show you in a moment how to send it out with your autoresponder, but also here, I just want to point out, we're also going to provide them with niche templates as well that they can customize, but more about that in a moment. So now I have my video right here. I can click here. I also have some stats here. I can click on embed code. It's going to take me back to the actual embed code. I can have here selected Aweber, copy to clipboard, and now I'm going to head over to actually Aweber, and I'm going to go ahead and create a actual email, okay? So I'm going to click here on create message, drag and drop builder. Cool. Very straightforward, very simple. And now it's going to open up the Aweber editor. I'm just going to grab some random text right here from this website, and I'm going to copy paste it just so we have some actual real text right here. I'm going to copy paste it right inside of here. I'm going to hit the enter button right here. And now I can click here on paragraph, include this as well. Click on code. And now I'm going to go here, embed, copy paste the actual embed code again. Go back to Aweber, paste it in here, and just click OK. And as you can see, the video already shows up right here in the preview, right? And I can even play it right here. This is an actual video attached to this, right? Now let's see how it looks in action. It says here missing subject line. That's okay. I'm just going to send a test email, right? So I'm going to click here on preview and test. I can see the preview of my email right here. And here I'm going to send it to my Apple email, but then I want to show you something really cool. But let me send it to my Apple email. And then here I'm also going to add a Gmail, Mario Brown coaching@gmail.com. Let me send it to Gmail as well, because I want to show you something really, really cool in just a second here, right? Now let's head over to my actual email account and let's see how this looks like in action. So I'm going to open up my email account right here. And you can see the email already arrived right here, and it is right here. You can see right here, I just sent it to myself. You can see here 8:18, my computer shows 8:18, and I can press play here, and it's playing an actual video inside of an email. We are the first app again that can do this, and you're going to be an affiliate able to promote this as something really unique and something brand new to market to your list. But here's the kicker. Some email accounts, right, they don't allow to play videos inside of email. For example, with Gmail, when your user gets a Gmail, they don't allow HTML5, right? The video is not going to play as an actual video. But here's the cool thing. If I head back here to my Gmail account, so this is a Gmail account. I sent this email to my Gmail. You saw it a moment ago, right? I click on this and check it out real time. The video is playing right here, okay? Because Gmail doesn't allow to play an actual video, our software converted this video into a full-on video GIF automatically. You didn't have to do anything. So it doesn't matter what email account your customer is using, he's going to receive this as a video that's going to play, right? This is an actual video GIF, but your user doesn't know the difference. So depending on which email they use, for example, if they use Outlook or Apple, they're going to actually get the video. If they use Gmail, they're going to get this video GIF right here, right? And this works perfectly on mobile devices, on desktops, anything that you can imagine. It is really, really cool and straightforward and easy to use, right? Now, if I go back here to the app, another thing that I want to show you is if you click here on video templates, you can click here on, you can see here all the templates that we have for different niches, for example. You can click on any of them. We have contractors, we have real estate, we have sports, we have restaurants, and you can edit this, and you can even add your own call to action, right? So for your subscriber, this means that they don't even have to pay a video company. They can just log in here, select the niche, customize this video, and then put it right into our campaigns right here, and they can send it out to their audience, for example, right? So they're saving a lot of money by using our done for you templates, right? We have a reseller account right here. In one of the upgrades, we have a white label account right here. They can have a reseller panel right here. We have a support link here as well, and you're going to be good to go. Now, this was a quick demo of Email Videos Pro. You're going to be one to promote this as a really first to market solution right here. And of course, we are editing the software still a lot. So, you know, if you're logging in, you're going to see the dashboard might look a little bit different. We're adding more features, and we're getting good, amazing feedback also from our beta users that are giving us ideas for even more features, right? But I'm going to